Dun, 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 dun.
This is what Manudi will look like. Long grass, overgrown grass.
Yo.
Overgrown grass.
I'm with the mother of the Master Blaster. That is me, and she's with her hideous looking dogs. There's hideous dog 1. There's hideous dog 2. Can you see that hideous dog?
Okay,
Super
over.
ugly.
Move over.
These are the ugly dogs.
Come on. Don't listen to him.
That's another ugly dog right there.
Come on. Ow.
All right. So you're gonna be part of the movie, eh?
No, I don't want to be part of your stupid movie.
You're gonna be part of my movie. The cousin is the unit manager. Where you going? I'm having to talk. The cousin is the unit manager. I even put your ugly dogs in there. I even put your silly dogs in it. You can be part of the movie. Do you want to be part of the movie? You want to be. I'll tell you what, I'll give you $10. Sad lady. That's what happens when you go on that silly bus from Purinua to wherever. Alright. See, you're a natural born actress. You're a natural born actress. Alright, take that car. Take your car out of here, man, before I jump on it, man. Watch out, you might hit something. Man, you missing an opportunity of a lifetime. But that's alright. That was my mum, so I better be nice. See you later, mother and mum. And your dogs. I hate those dogs. Hideous dogs. Hurry up, there's a car.